think strength training is just for bodybuilders or 20-somethings. Think again. If you're over 40, lifting weights might be the single best thing you can do for your body and your future health. In this video, we'll break down the surprising benefits of strength training, how it fights aging, and why it's never too late to start. Starting around age 30, most people begin to lose muscle mass, up to 3 to 8% per decade. After 40, that decline speeds up. This natural muscle loss, called sarcopenia, is one of the biggest drivers of weakness, fatigue, and even falls later in life. But strength training, it reverses that process, rebuilding and preserving your muscle so you stay strong and independent. More muscle means a faster metabolism. Strength training increases your resting metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories even while sitting. It also helps with weight control, especially around the belly, where extra fat can lead to serious health problems. If you've struggled with slow weight loss after 40, strength training could be the missing piece. As we age, bone density naturally declines, especially in women after menopause. This raises the risk of fractures, even from minor falls. Strength training puts healthy stress on your bones, triggering them to grow stronger. It's one of the best ways to prevent osteoporosis and protect your long-term mobility. Lifting weights doesn't just benefit your body, it sharpens your brain too. Research shows strength training improves memory, reduces anxiety, and boosts your mood. It even increases levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, a key chemical linked to learning and mental resilience. Regular strength training lowers your risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even some forms of cancer. It improves insulin sensitivity, balances hormones, and reduces inflammation, all things that become harder to manage with age. In short, it's not just about looking better, it's about living longer and feeling better. Whether you're in your 40s, 50s, or beyond, it's never too late to start strength training. Even just 2 to 3 sessions a week can transform your health. Start light, stay consistent, and watch your body. Thank you. Follow Health Pulse TV for more simple health tips that actually work.